Hello, in this video I want to show you how to adjust a date and time settings on a Nebula projector. To do this, first we'll need to click on the gear icon and open all of the settings, scroll down and find System. Then select date and time, and right here we can turn on or off automatic date and time detection. In this case, let's turn it off. This allows us to manually set our date, set our time, and set our time zone. And I strongly recommend to actually go for a use network provided time, otherwise you might encounter some network problems when browsing your internet. And one last option right here is use 24 hours format. You can enable or disable it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.